Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 science offline class. Your chapter 13 chapter weather at page number 53, which I already started, and we already discussed about what is weather, right? And the hot day that we discussed, that is summer season, right? And the days are very hot. As the summer season are very hot, we can feel the warm outside warm, and that's why we protect ourselves from this warm. We use fans, air cooler, air conditioners during the summer season. And that time also we wear cotton, light colored or lightweight clothes, cotton clothes mainly. And that's about the summer season. That time some fruits are very available, that's mango, watermelon. So we like to eat those fruits and we enjoy it also, but you have to remember that you have to avoid the ice creams and soft drinks, cold drinks or soft drinks during this season, because that's very harmful for our health. So you have to avoid it, try to avoid it, that's to keep ourselves healthy. Okay, next, today we will discuss on the cold day, a cold day. So what is cold day? If we say that today is very cold day, previous day also we feel so cold, right? And now in this time also the weather is so cold at the night, in the very morning and at night also the weather is so cold, right? So we felt it, now we also feel it. So the weather so cool and the cool wind is blowing outside, and that's why we feel so cold. So that's about the winter season. That's now winter, you know this. So a cold day is the winter season, right? So in this winter season the days are very cold. You can feel it with reality nowadays. It snows at some places on the mountains. As we live in the plain area, not mountain area, tour, if you go for a tour in mountain, that time you can see snow are falling in those mountain area in this winter season, because there are too much cold, that's why the water freeze and it makes snow. That thing you already learned, how snow fall and how the water makes snow and the hailstone, you can remember. So those things we can see in the mountain area. We wear woolen clothes like sweaters and coats to keep ourselves warm. We wear woolen clothes, as I am now wearing woolen clothes, you all are now wearing woolen clothes. So we have to keep ourselves warm, so that's why we wear woolen clothes in winter season. So here we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. We enjoy taking the hot drinks like tea and coffee during winter. We used to like hot drinks like hot tea and coffee in this season, in this winter season, to keep ourselves warm. We also use heaters and small fires to keep ourselves warm. We use woolen clothes, we use hot drinks and tea, hot drinks like tea and coffee, and we also use heaters and light small fires to keep ourselves warm. We like to sit in the sunshine. Yes, in the daytime, many of people like to sit on the roof or in the sunshine. So that's about the sunshine. When the sun shines, the sun light us over us. So that's why we feel warm. So that's why we like to sit in sunshine. So that's about the winter season, what we will do and what we are now doing in this season, in this winter season. So that's why these things we can relate with this season nowadays. That I am repeat again, so you can remember it, that in winter season the days are too much cold, you can feel it, and it snows up at place and the mountain area. If you go or in the other internet also, you can see there are too much snowfall in the mountain area, and this time we wear woolen clothes. As I am writing here, we wear the woolen clothes and to keep ourselves warm. We used to drink hot drink. We used to take it like tea and coffee. We like this hot drink to keep ourselves warm. And to keep ourselves warm, we use the heaters and small fires. We light small fires and heaters also to keep ourselves warm. And daytime, in the early daytime, we like to sit in the sunshine. So those all things we do in this winter season. We do in this winter season, and we enjoy it also to keep ourselves warm. The atmosphere is too much cold, weather is too much cold. So that's why we keep ourselves warm and we enjoy it also. Okay everyone, so you can relate nowadays. So you enjoy this winter also and read your weather chapter very attentively. The next part, that any day we will start to your next class. So have a nice day and bye.